Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is transistor biasing. This is the second video about transistors biasing. There are three biasing methods. Number one, fixed bias or base bias. Number two, collector to base bias. And number three, voltage divider or self bias. Now, the objective of biasing of a transistor is to establishment of the Q point by connecting the transistor to external voltage source by using an appropriate circuits. The Q point is determined by available supply voltage, load resistance of the amplifier, the amplitude of the signal to be amplified, and the allowable distortion of the output signal. Now, the Q point should be stable with respect to temperature. That means if temperature fluctuates or temperature changes, then Q point should not change. That means it should be stable. That is the main objective. Or if we change the transistor by another one of the same type, then it should not be changes. So our objective is to stable the Q point. Now operating point or Q point change due to some conditions. Now the operating point can change due to the instability of the collector current. So this instability of the collector current are from various sources. Number one, the reverse saturation current, that is ICO, which doubles for every 10 degree centigrade rise of temperature. Number two, the base emitter voltage VBE that falls at the rate 2.5 millivolt per degree centigrade for both type of transistor, that is silicon and germanium. And the amplification factor beta rises with temperature. So these are the reason. Now the stability factors are denoted as S, S dash and S double dash. S is defined as del IC by del ICO. That means the rate of change of collector current with respect to the reverse saturation current. S dash, that is the rate of change of collector current with respect to base emitter voltage, and S double dash, that is a rate of change of collector current with respect to beta. Okay. Now we will explain one by one the biasing methods. Now this is the fixed bias circuit. Okay. We have used here NPN transistor, then VCC is the source or connected RB and RC with the transistor. Now for simplification, we split this circuit into parts. One is input section, another one is output section. Okay. So let's draw these two parts. Now the same circuit is drawn in two parts. One is input section and another one is output section. Now from the input circuit, we may write VCC is equal to IBRB plus VBE. That is IB current is flows through RB and plus VBE. Okay. So IB becomes equals to VCC minus VBE by RB. Okay. Fine. This is IB. Then from output section, that is this IC current flows through RC. So we may write VCC is equal to VCC is equal to ICRC plus VCE, and IC, the collector current, is equals to beta IB plus beta plus 1 ICO. Now we substitute the value of IB, here. So IB is equal to VCC minus VBE by RB, we put it here for IB. So it becomes IC is equal to beta into VCC minus VBE by RB plus beta plus 1 ICO. Now we find the stability factor S. First S becomes equals to del IC by del ICO. So we differentiate of IC with respect to ICO. So first term is constant in respect to ICO, so it is beta plus 1. Then, so first stability factor you have drawn, then S dashed, that is equal to del IC by del VBE. From this equation, so first of all it is beta into VCC by RB, so it is constant, so minus is there, VBE is differentiate with respect to VBE, so beta by RB, so minus beta by RB. And the third one, S double dashed, del IC by del beta. So it is VCC minus VBE by RB plus ICO. Okay. Now VBE is very less compared to VCC, so we approximate VCC by RB plus ICO. So these are the stability factors. Now fixed bias is not so good for transistor biasing because of from these three values of S, S dashed and S double dashed, we find that S is equal to beta plus 1. So if we replace the transistor having beta 99, then 99 plus 1 becomes 100. So del IC is equal to 100 into ICO. That means it's faster. 100 times it's faster, so it is not improved. But the second and third, that is S dashed and S double dashed, these are the improved. By change we can stabilize the transistor by change the value of RB. Okay. So beta VBE and beta, with respect to VBE and beta, the stabilization is improved, and with respect to ICO, it is very poor stabilization. So we move to the next biasing circuit, that is collector to base bias.